Pooja, what is this behavior? You do not get to decide who's Indian, how much Indian, and who's not. Whenever I'm on an online forum or any Indian wedding, there'll be at least one person who calls themselves a patriot and thinks it's their right and responsibility to tell anyone who doesn't currently live in India or doesn't work there how they are deshtrohis. You know, the kind of people who look at Priyanka Chopra Jonas and say, "Ab to aap wahin ki ho gayi hain." And same people who, if any Indian American, Indian, Indo-Canadian, Indo-European will win an international award, say, Hamara Indian. You stay in India, you're allowed to complain about it, but if somebody else outside of India complains about the place they're living in, instead of supporting that person, वापस आ जाओ ना, आप ही ने तो decide किया था. You getting commission at the border? सबको बुला लो वापस. I've even heard परिवार तोड़ रहे हैं. When was the last time you called your cousin or your bua who lives like 2 hours away from you? If you tell me you have the privilege of coming from the most abundant, resilient, warm, loving country on earth, and your idea of patriotism is limited to a passport or a religion, you are disrespecting the very thing that our mother fought against the colonizers for. And I get it. Our trauma response of being under Angrez for so long is having that divided mindset, that competitiveness, superior, inferior, and you feeling like you always have to overcompensate to protect the idea of your India. But good news, Angrez gaye, and the brilliant India we are building together now, that's not gonna happen if you keep feeling that unsafe. True Indians are the ones that physically live in India. No, Modi does not agree with your hate disguised as patriotism, because he also knows how much international remittance comes into the country. Let's say people who left India never come back. Even then, how can you make them less Indian? How can you take away their history, their memories, their taste, their diabetes, their array? I was born and brought up in India, then I lived in the UK, I lived in Canada. India gave me the foundation that when I stepped out, wherever I go, I get to share that, and I get to welcome everything new that I learned in the field of mental health care, and I contribute to our collective growth. And you might want to sit down for this. I've been outside of India for 10 years now. I might come back tomorrow. I might go to a whole other place. But even if I did, now Canada has added so much to my identity that I also feel patriotic towards here. And you know what? The Indian in me teaches me to honor the nurture this place has also given me with loyalty and respect. Isn't that amazing how our bodies work on the principle of belonging? You know what? My patriotism is big enough for the both of us. My Indianness tells me to accept you with all of your limiting mindset as my fellow Indian. Because in my home, that's how we were taught to do it.